Where's the check-in counter? Can I see your passport, please? What time does the flight leave? Where is the boarding gate? How many bags can I check in? Is this a direct flight? What's the weight limit for luggage? My flight is delayed. What should I do? Can I get a window seat, please? Is there Wi-Fi at the airport? Can I get a blanket, please? Do you have vegetarian options? How long is the flight? Where is the nearest restroom? Can I recline my seat? Do you have a room available? I have a reservation under your name. What time is check-in, check-out? Is breakfast included? Can I get a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Where is the Wi-Fi password? Is there a safe in the room? Can I get extra towels, please? How far is the hotel from the city center? Can I leave my luggage here after checkout? Where is the nearest bus stop? How much is a ticket to destination? Does this bus go to place? How do I get to the train station? Is this the right platform for destination?